Hello and welcome to Paracas here in Peru. It has been a little while since we made a video, but we've spent the last 5-6 days working our way down from Quito down to Lima, the capital of Peru, by bus. It was a couple of overnight buses, and then we had a few days in Lima over New Year. And now we have started our new adventure for the next 2 weeks here in Peru and Bolivia. This morning at our hotel in Lima, the capital of Peru, we were picked up by Peru Hop. This company runs tourist buses all the way down through from the middle to the south of Peru, as you can see here. And over the next 2 weeks, we're going to be doing this exact full route. It started off in Lima, and today we came to Paracas. We had a stop at a traditional Peruvian horse center where we were given a horse show, which was pretty cool. It was included in our ticket price for the Peru Hop 2 weeks, and also a guinea pig lottery, which I was definitely not expecting and was extremely random. And now we're here in Paracas. We didn't have anything planned today other than the free activity. However, tomorrow is going to be a really busy day. We have 3 different activities booked tomorrow between here and Huacachina, which is in the desert. It's actually the only desert oasis in the whole of South America. So we'll catch up tomorrow and start the day. So our trip to the Balestas Islands has not started off the best. Because of an earthquake the other day in Japan, they're not actually letting us go all the way out to the islands, so we're having to go to a different island. But they said there's the same wildlife, so hopefully it'll just be as good. To 10, our boat trip is finished. It was awesome. It was cool to see the birds. Even though we couldn't make it to the main island, we got to the secondary one and we seen penguins, sea lions, pelicans and loads of other birds. It was cool. Now in 20 minutes time we're getting picked up from the same place as we got picked up for this tour. We're getting picked up for our second tour of the day. This is a free one which is included with the Hop bus. We'll see what it's like. As far as I'm aware, we're going to the Paracas National Reserve, and I think it's about 2 hours long.
That was cool. I liked it.
This is the National Park of Paracas, and it is crazy. It is like literally desert meets sea, and it's like being on another planet almost. It's pretty cool. Stop number 2 for another 10 minutes is the highest point of the National Reserve. We can see Playa Roja, which is the red beach. And that was stop number 2, and I think the last stop. It's already 12:05. We're leaving here at 12:10, and the bus is supposed to leave Paracas for Huacachina at 12:30. So we need to get back, get off, get our bags, get onto a different bus. So I think we'll maybe just be heading back to Paracas now. But anyway, that was pretty cool, especially considering it was included in our ticket price with the Peru Hop, so we didn't have to pay any extra, and we got to see some pretty cool places.
So it was an hour on the bus, we both slept, so it went super quick, and now we are here and we have just got first sight of the lagoon. Well, oasis.
Huacachina is a tiny little village town in the centre of the desert, and it is apparently the only, or one of the only, desert oasis in the whole of South America. We are checked into our hostel. It's perfect, absolutely fine for one night, and we are now heading to the meeting point for our afternoon activity, which we're just arriving at just now. We've got like 10 minutes until the meet time, and we're going to get sandboarding.
Hi. Get me strapped in. You're probably worse than it.
A few moments later.
Well, that was fun. Yep.
That was so fun. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was good. Holy shit. I was not expecting that.
Speedy.
Yeah, that was a good one.
So pretty. So fun.
Look at that over
So
there.
exhausting.
Oh shit, this is steep.
Last one complete. Steepest one, but very fun.
And we are back at Hachu, or how do they say it?
Huacachina?
Huacachina. We're back at Huacachina, the oasis in the desert. That was unbelievable. That was an amazing experience, topped off by sitting watching the sunset at the end, and then a slightly weirdly unexpected crazy drive back. But we're back alive. It was awesome. What a day. That is part 1 of Peru Hop videos complete. Make sure to hit subscribe and like the video, and we'll catch you back here tomorrow morning
When we move off again.